roads. Either way, it's a novelty in the South. Don't wake me up. It's just too good a dream here. I see snow. I see people catching snowflakes on their tongues. Who doesn't love to do that? I don't care how old you are. You know you're going to go out and do it when that first snow of the season rolls around. Everybody getting in the spirit today across Texas. And obviously, we appreciate you sending us your pictures as you kind of shared some of your Christmas spirit with us. No doubt about it. All right, let's check out some of the Twit pics. We've got them for you here tonight. And, oh, look at that. Let's see. What do we have there? Looks like a, oh, I don't know. I can't remember that leaf. It's coming to me, but either way. Notice the snow accumulating, obviously, on the car, but not on the asphalt out there. The ground just too warm until you get to some of the elevated surfaces, the dirt or the grass or even some of the bushes there. The wet snow coming down in the Dallas area today. We appreciate you guys. Again, this is from Security Chris. So you ought to see how small these names are. I got to read them here. We've got Merrill Levins. Merrill Levins, thank you very much, from Dallas, Texas, showing the sidewalk was clear. Doesn't look like she salted it either. That's just the fact that the ground, again, warm there on that surface, and the snow did not come down intense enough to cause any problems. And we've got Rhonda coming in from Dallas with her Ford Expedition or Explorer. We're going to tell the weather story, no question about it. Here's Dallas looking at colder air working in over the next 24 to 36 hours, setting the stage for more snow in the Dallas area. 39 is all we can muster for you Friday. The big question for you, Dallas, is not do we have enough cold air, but will we have enough moisture to throw back at you to produce the snow? That's the big question. That system moves out, and look at how quickly that strong December sun warms the southern latitudes. We're 50 as we head back in towards Saturday. You may wonder, oh, how rare is snow for Texas in the first place? Well, it all depends, obviously, on where you are. The Panhandle can get 1 to 2 feet on an annual basis, yeah, every year. But the farther south you go, out of the hills, down through Austin, for example, we've only had 1 recorded December snow since 1926 in Austin, Texas. 1 recorded measurable snow in Austin since 1926. If it snows on Friday, this will make it 2. Notice the coast, anywhere from none to about 1/10 of an inch. That's it. So a huge rarity, especially if it snows again in Houston, Texas here, guys. And that's what we're going to be looking at as we watch this system work its way south, Alex. There is definitely a good chance.
With the heaviest amounts to the north and west, a light snowfall prompted some schools to close or delay their start times today. The snow melted quickly as the precip changed back to rain in some areas before coming to an end this afternoon. And this was the headline for the Lubbock Avalanche Journal. They unofficially declared that winter's here. The city got about 1.5 inches of snow yesterday, and the
Colorado through New Mexico and parts of Texas watch for the snow showers, and temperatures about the same in both regions. I'll have more on that incredible temperature story coming up in just a moment. But as the area in the northeast clears, still the wind behind it, that's going to enhance some of that lake effect snow and still the lingering showers in Florida. But we also see this area, the moisture through Texas, cold enough to be supporting some snow with all that for places perhaps like Austin. We'll talk more about that coming up. But then the moisture that we will see through the East Coast on Saturday really depends how close to the coastline some of that moisture gets and how cold the temperatures in, exactly who will see the snow.
That will bring some measurable snowfall, not only into West Texas tonight, but into the central part of the state tomorrow. You're looking at winter weather advisories up and down the I-35 corridor there, including Austin and San Antonio. Houston, looks like you're going to see some snow a little bit later. Next on PM Edition, tracking snow in 2 pockets of the country, the Great Lakes and the South. Details on when this rare event.
We're forecasting snow for southern cities from Texas into Louisiana. Thanks for watching PM Edition. I'm Vivian Brown.
And I'm Nick Walker. Now, one of those cities is Houston. In fact, crews are already spraying a magnesium chloride solution on the bridges and overpasses. They want to prevent water accumulation from freezing, which could cause hazardous conditions for drivers. That is a real concern because we're going to see rain first. And then as cooler air moves in, that rain is going going to be turning over to snow, particularly in the afternoon hours around the Houston area. Hey, it's already snow back toward Lubbock, Texas, where temperatures have fallen down, now below freezing. 28 degrees in Lubbock. It's 23 at Pine Springs. It doesn't really show up on the radar, but we've got some freezing rain there right now. So a variety of winter precipitation could occur here in West Texas this afternoon, this evening, and during the overnight hours. So much so that winter storm watches have now been posted for the southern portions of New Mexico down into West Texas. Guadalupe Mountains could pick up as much as 4 inches of snowfall. Otherwise, this area of New Mexico and West Texas, more like 1 to 3 inches, and that includes the Midland, Odessa area, all the Permian Basin there. Here into the western portion of Texas, we're already seeing that precipitation occur, and we'll find that spreading eastward into central Texas tomorrow. San Antonio, Austin, under winter weather advisories. These are areas where it's really going to vary on when the precipitation starts as snow, when it becomes snow instead of rain, and just how far the cold air gets into the picture here. Here into the Houston area, we anticipate seeing snow spread into Louisiana during the nighttime hours. We're probably going to see at least an inch there, and some areas are going to see much more, maybe even up to 4 inches in some areas of central and southeastern Texas. So we got the deep south snow. Let's show you a forecast of just when this is going to occur here. This evening, back toward West Texas, we could see some rain farther toward the south, then into central Texas through Friday. It spreads eastward during the nighttime and then into the deep south portions of Alabama.
All right, time